Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this payment method was declined in App Store. If you are using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you are having the issue that your payment method was declined in App Store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So there's a simple way to fix the issue. You just have to update your payment method. So first you have to delete your previous payment methods, open your settings here. Tap on your Apple ID, then select the payment and shipping option, and you just have to delete your previous payment method from here. And after that, you have to add a new payment method, or you can re-add your same payment method. So you just have to open your App Store, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account, and then you just have to select the country or region option. And from here, you just have to look for your own country or region. Once you find your own country or region, you just have to select that. And here select continue option, then tap on agree in the top right corner. And here you have to add your payment method. So you just have, you can use this camera option to scan or you can add manually all the details. And once you have done, you have to add these information also, then tap on the done option in the top right corner. And after doing that, all of your payment method will be successfully updated and you will not find the issue again. So in this way, you can easily fix your payment method was declined in the App Store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.